Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning AI for inbox management and smart replies. Tools: Superhuman AI, Gmail Smart Compose, ChatGPT for drafts. Goal: use AI tools to manage inboxes more efficiently, reduce response time, write high-quality replies faster, and maintain professional communication with ease. Section 1. The problem with email overload. Most professionals receive between 50 to 200 plus emails daily. Virtual assistants are often responsible for managing team inboxes, support emails, client communications, internal notifications, meeting requests, manual email handling. Wastes time. Risks missing key messages. Leads to delayed responses. Drains mental energy. Section 2. AI as a communication partner. AI doesn't just automate, it augments your thinking. Suggests professional, on-brand replies. Identifies priority emails. Writes full drafts with context. Reduces grammatical errors and tone issues. Saves hours per week on repetitive writing. Section 3. Overview of tools. Superhuman AI. Best for high-level professionals, executives, fast inbox triage. Features. AI triage sorts important versus low-priority emails. Auto-suggests full replies. Summarizes long email threads instantly. Allows quick archiving or snoozing. Keyboard shortcuts to move through inbox faster. Context-aware reply suggestions. Use case. You manage a busy CEO's inbox. Superhuman shows you the most important threads, suggests a professional response, and lets you fire it off in seconds. Gmail Smart Compose plus Smart Reply. Best for Gmail users needing time-saving email writing. Smart Compose. Offers predictive text as you type. Learns your writing style. Suggests entire sentences. Smart Reply. Offers 1 to 3 short reply options based on incoming message. Best for quick responses. Yes, that works. / thanks for the update. Context-aware over time. Use case. You're managing a customer support inbox. Smart Reply allows you to handle 20 tickets in 5 minutes using fast suggested responses. ChatGPT for drafting emails. Best for custom, thoughtful email replies and complex communication. What ChatGPT can do. Draft professional responses based on email summaries. Rephrase messages to fit tone, friendly, formal, concise, etc. Translate emails. Help write responses to angry or difficult clients. Create canned email templates. Prompt examples. Write a professional reply to a client asking for a project delay due to internal issues. Draft a follow-up email to a lead that didn't respond in 4 days. Reword this email to sound more concise and warm. Section 4. Workflow for AI Inbox Management. Start your day with inbox review. Use Superhuman or Gmail filters to sort urgent versus non-urgent. Use ChatGPT to reply to complex or emotional emails. Use Smart Reply for quick approvals or confirmations. Create categories or labels. Urgent, needs your input today. Delegated. Waiting on someone else. To draft, use ChatGPT to help compose. Archived low priority / autofile. Time block your inbox sessions. Avoid constant checking. Block 2 to 3 slots per day, morning, noon, end of day. Use AI to make each session efficient. Section 5. Canned email templates you can automate. 1. Meeting confirmation. Hi, name. Confirming our meeting scheduled for, date, at, time. Looking forward to our conversation. Best regards. Your name. 2. Thank you for your inquiry. Hello, name. Thank you for reaching out. I've received your request and will get back to you within timeframe. Kindly. Your name. 3. Follow up on pending response. Hi, name. Just checking in regarding my last message. Let me know if you had the chance to review. Warm regards. Your name. 4. Polite decline or delay. Hello, name. Thank you for your interest. Unfortunately, I'm currently at full capacity and won't be able to take this on at the moment. I'll be sure to keep you in mind. Best. Your name. Section 6, Demo, Inbox Drafting with ChatGPT. Scenario, you receive this email. Hi, just following up on the proposal you sent. The pricing seems a bit high. Can we negotiate the terms before finalizing? Prompt to ChatGPT. Write a polite response acknowledging their concern, showing openness to negotiation, and suggesting a quick call to discuss details. ChatGPT response example. Hi, name. Thank you for your feedback on the proposal. I completely understand your concern regarding the pricing. I'd be happy to explore some adjustments that align with your expectations while maintaining project quality. Would you be open to a brief call tomorrow or Friday to go over the details? Looking forward to your thoughts. Best. Your name. Section 7, Visual Walkthrough, Setting up Smart Compose and ChatGPT Workflow. Your setup. Enable Smart Compose in Gmail. Go to Gmail Settings General, turn on Smart Compose and Smart Reply. Link ChatGPT to your workflow. Keep ChatGPT open in a browser tab. Copy and paste emails needing drafts. Use saved prompt templates. Organize with Gmail labels. Create folders, to draft, to send, follow-up needed. Optional add-ons. Gmail add-on, ChatGPT Writer. Use Zapier to auto-send emails to a Google Sheet for tracking. Section 8, Class Activity. Select 5 real or practice emails. Use Smart Reply for 2 quick responses. ChatGPT to draft 2 custom emails. Superhuman, optional, to triage 1 inbox. Paste your best email into the class group and reflect. Was it faster than manual writing? Did it feel professional? Section 9, by the end of this class, you can use AI to manage and respond to emails more quickly and professionally. Customize ChatGPT prompts for different email types. Create and organize inbox workflows using AI. Become a reliable, fast, and clear communicator for your clients. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.